Hi everyone, welcome to this special session of FM Theory Bytes, that is Financial Management Theory Bytes, where we are going to simplify the theory of financial management as well as the similar series will be coming for cost accounting. So please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to share with all your friends and hit the like button on this video. Now in this series, what we are going to do is we are going to simplify the theory part. We are going to upload one important theory topic every day, so it is going to be beneficial for you that okay, this is the theory that we need to cover at any point of time. You can just check the playlist. It will be by the name of FM Theory Bytes. Similarly will be there for costing Theory Bytes, right? So let's see what is the topic for this video. For this video, the topic is venture capital financing. Very easy topic, very interesting topic. Now, what is a venture capital financing? Let's say there is an entrepreneur, there is a person, this is an entrepreneur, Shyam. Now, he is having a brilliant idea. What is that idea? He wants to make a mobile app for the CA students. And what will the app do? The app is you just keep the phone on your head and you just click on the topic. All the topic will be there transferred from the app to your head. See what an idea, Sarji. So this is for the CA students. Now he's having a brilliant idea to develop this app where all the content from the app will be directly transferred to your brain. You never know, sir. With the technology, the way the technology is increasing, this might be possible someday, right? Now he is having a brilliant idea, but there is a problem. Problem is he lacks in the funds. He is lacking two things. Lack of two things is there. One, the lack of funds to develop this particular app. The second thing is the lack of experience that how this should be proceeded with, right? So he is lacking two things. One is the funds and another thing is the experience. He is an entrepreneur. He is having a brilliant idea, but the problem is he's not having the sufficient funds. Now in this, here comes the venture capitalist. Now, in the picture comes the venture capitalist. Now, what will the venture capitalist do? Venture capitalist is an individual or a firm who is having the sufficient funds. They have lot of funds. They are ready to invest in this idea. Invest in this idea. They are ready to invest in this idea, right? Now, will they do it free of cost? No, sir. Why? Because this idea is what? This idea is highly risky venture. Highly risky. Whether it will work or not, even Shyam doesn't know. But this venture capitalist person, he is having lot of funds. He says, okay, even if the idea doesn't work, that's totally fine for me. So he is ready to invest in this, but he will get something in return. He will want something in return for investment. Now, what is that something? That something is normally it is the share in equity capital. Share in equity capital, right? Like the venture capitalist says, okay, I'll provide you the funds, I'll provide you the experience, I'll provide you 1 crore rupees. But in return, I will want 5% shares in your company. I want the 5% shareholding of your company. So because I am taking on the risk, it is my money that is going to be invested in this idea. I am taking on the risk. So I want some shareholding in your company, right? The biggest example, if you watch the show, watch this show, Shark Tank. Right? This is the biggest example where the entrepreneurs, they come, they pitch their ideas, and the venture capitalist, or what they call it as the sharks there, they invest in those, the entrepreneurs whose business they think can grow in the future, right? Now, this app idea is absolutely brilliant. So this venture capitalist says, okay, I am ready to invest in it, right? So this is what is venture capital financing. It is when the investors called the venture capitalist provide money to the new or the growing business, that is the startups that have the high potential but also the high risk. Yes, the potential is there that these can grow to a very good level, but at the same time there is a risk that is involved. In return, these investors get a share of ownership in the company and hope to earn profits if the business succeeds. Obviously, if this app idea goes very well, if the business succeeds, then this venture capitalist will earn multiple times of its investment. So who gets it? The startups or the small companies who have the big ideas but not enough money. Who gives it? The venture capitalists. This can be individuals or the firms looking for a high returns. What do investors get? The ownership of the shares in the company and a share of future profits, right? So this is a small example. You can just pause the video. You can go through this example that there is a group of friends who want they start a tech company to build a new app. They are lacking the funds, so they get the funds from a venture capitalist, right? Now, the types of venture capital financing which is there, the first one is the equity financing. Equity financing means the venture capitalist will provide the money and get the equity shares in return, right? Shares in the company, high risk, high reward. But here, one thing that is very important to remember is that shareholding of that venture capitalist will be less than equal to 49%. Right? This is the maximum shareholding that a venture capitalist can ask for. That is 49%. He cannot be the major shareholder in the company, right? So this is one thing that you have to remember. Then the second one is, this is first one, equity financing. Second one is conditional loan. Conditional loan, under the, when you hear this word loan, normally what comes to the mind is the interest to be paid. But here, no interest. Only the royalty on the sales to be paid, right? 2%, 5% of the sales as the royalty, that when you are selling the product, you give us the royalty out of that 2%, 3% of the sales, you give us the royalty, pay as you earn, right? So no burden of interest on it. Then the third one is income note. Income note is what? Income note is hybrid of loan plus royalty, low rate of interest plus the small royalty. It is basically a normal loan plus a conditional loan. It is what? It is a conventional loan. It is what we call it as a conventional loan. Conventional loan is what? On which we pay interest, right? Plus conditional loan is where it is the royalty which is charged, not the interest. So it is a sum total of conventional plus conditional loan. It is a combination of conventional plus conditional loan, which we call it as income note. Then the participating debentures is where the interest rate is to be charged in three different parts. Interest increases over time, step by step returns. Initially, when the start, it is when it is in the startup part, then low rate of interest. Once the business kicks in, once they start earning the returns from that, then moderate, and once it reaches the peak, then it will be the high rate of interest. This is the interest. This is the rate of interest. Initially, there might be no interest or low rate of interest. Then as the business kicks in, as you start earning, then they will increase the rate of interest, medium. And once the business reaches the peak of its earnings or the profits, then it will be the high rate of interest. So it will be in three different steps. These are known as the participating debentures. So these are the types of venture capital financing that you have to remember from examination point of view. So that's it for this video. The topic was venture capital financing, which we have done. So see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified as and when we are uploading the next video. And these are all the very, very, very important topics of financial management from the examination point of view for CA students, CMA students, any professional course student. These are the important topics, right? So see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.